How to change your Instagram edits password. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change your Instagram edits password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you don't actually change the password for your Instagram edits because edits come from Instagram. So as long as you have Instagram account, you can log into edits. Now, if you're talking about changing the password for your Instagram account, then for that, you can just launch Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, and from there what you can do is go to account center, from where you can go to password and security right here, and you can go to change password and select your Instagram account and enter your current password, and then enter the new password and retype the new password and tap on change to finally change your Instagram edits password. This way you can change your Instagram edits password for your Instagram app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.